Okay, so this week we got something a little bit different. We have a crochet design challenge for myself. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's going to be hopefully a theme we can run with and do something fun. So I'm rolling some dice to pick a theme, colors, and a type of yarn, and then I need to spend the rest of the week coming up with a crochet pattern, a new crochet pattern. So, and I'm filming this at the end of this experience, so I already know how stressful this got. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so what we've got here is 3 categories. We have 12 options. We've got a 12-sided dice for our crochet theme ideas. It's not sponsored by Dungeons and Dragons. We have a 10-sided dice for our colour palette and different options there. And we have a normal 6-sided dice for our yarn weights. So let's roll these dice and see what this week's design challenge is going to be. So first of all, let's do the crochet theme ideas. So let's give this... Okay, it's a 2, so flower garden. Okay, so let's write this down. So a flower garden. I was really hoping for like Fairytale Fantasy, but anyway. And our colour palette for our flower garden is going to be 4, if you can see that on camera. 4, so that's icy blue and silver. That sounds nice. Icy blue and silver. Okay, and last but not least, what yarn weight are we going to be using? Let's try, see what we get. Oops, my finger got in the way. Let's do that again. 2. We're going for a sport baby weight yarn. Okay, sport baby. Okay, well let's head to the yarn store and find some sport baby weight yarn in icy blue and silver. This is going to be quite festive, so I'm quite excited to try this, see what I can come up with. So just looking at my sport, I actually have some sport baby weight yarn already, so that's convenient, but I don't have, I mean I've got sort of icy blue colour, which looks really blue on camera. So we've got some sort of icy blue colours, but I don't have any silver, so I think we might have to go and find something silvery in the yarn store, I think. So immediately I'm thinking flower garden. I mean Missy's come up with the idea of a watering can with maybe some flowers in it, or should I do like a granny square with some flowers, flower theme, or should I do like one big flower? I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like one big layered flower in the icy blue and silver would be really nice. So, but I think once I get the yarn, I'll have more ideas. So let's go find some silver yarn. A load of talking then about the yarns, and I wasn't even recording, so definitely having a bit of a day today. But this is what we got from the yarn store. Now this, I think I have this already, I think I showed it earlier, but I've got some more just in case. So this is definitely a sport baby weight yarn by this company, I can't pronounce this, but I've used this in so many of my tutorials, and it's a perfect weight yarn. We need sport baby weight yarn. That's a yarn weight of 2, so really chuffed with that. And then we found this yarn, well, actually Missy found this yarn, and this is so soft, it's really lovely, and I just love it. It's so sparkly and it's like pretty much silver, so I was really surprised with the amount of sparkly yarn available in the yarn store, so really chuffed about that. But this is one of those yarns that don't like to tell you the yarn weight, so yeah, it's a polyester microfiber, which makes sense for a sparkly yarn, but But yeah, it just doesn't tell you the yarn weight at all. It tells you the needle and hook size recommendations, but we pretty much think it's the same weight just by look. It looks kind of the same, maybe slightly thinner. So, but this should be absolutely perfect. And I love Kartopu. I know this brand. I've worked with it before. It's a really nice brand to work with. So yeah, really excited to come up with something. And yeah, I really hope you like what I come up with. So I've spent a couple of days trying to come up with an idea. And let's just say it hasn't actually gone very well. First of all, I thought of designing like a long bookmark with some like roses down the middle. And I came up with this little sort of rose here, but I just don't think it's very good. It just didn't work. And then I thought about doing like a headband or, you know, scrunchy type thing or a granny square. And anyway, it's just like I had to leave my ideas because I was getting really stressed. But I was thinking I still want to stick with the kind of bookmark idea. And I was thinking something using this stitch here. This is a lovely stitch, daisy lace stitch, and I've used this, I haven't used this for a long time, this stitch, but if we could utilize this stitch somehow in a kind of bookmark, and we'd have this sort of, this is my terrible flowers, a sort of one strip of these sort of lacy flowers, and then I'll do like a silvery kind of picot trim around the edge, and I think maybe even we could even have like a tassel on the end or something like that, a really nice bookmark. So this is what I'm going to work on today. It's Thursday and this video needs to go out Fridays, so I'm running out of time, but yeah, that's where we're at with the design process. And here we are. This is what I finally came up with. So I used that stitch, but I had to adapt it for this particular design because I wanted to have a kind of similar ending edge as the beginning edge. And then I just added a border and some picots, and then I thought it'd be really nice just to sew on little stitches through each flower. They're almost like little snowflakes. And this would be a lovely as a bookmark. You could add tassel if you wanted to, or it could be a headband, or even a fancy festive napkin holder for the Christmas dinner table. Whatever you'd like it to be. So if you would like to see a tutorial, because obviously the free written pattern I will put up on my website. I shall put a link to that in the description below. But if you would like a video tutorial, obviously we've run out of time today in this video, and this will take a little bit of time to film as a tutorial. But if we get, say, 50 comments below saying, yes, I would love a tutorial for this, then do comment below and let me know, and I will do a video tutorial for next Friday. So do let me know. But that's all from me this week. I think I finally got there. We managed to do the challenge. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out. It's really pretty. I hope you like it too. And I will see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks as always to our Happy Bay Plus members and our YouTube members for helping make these videos possible. And I'll see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is what we finally, there's no we, it's just me. It's only me doing it. No one else helped with this. Oh. Just don't leave. The label's stuck inside. This is